Now I'm going to do map system. On minimap, we have to create a material, and this is going to be mini material underscore minimap. So I have to open this one, set this to user interface and translocate. Now the first thing we have to do, we have to get our map texture, drag this right here, and then in opacity we have to get radial gradient exponential, this one, get a construct node, set this to radius, no, set this to density, so I'm going to set this to 100. Now we have this hard edge, rounded edge here. And now to control this map, we have to get texture coordinate. And then we have to create a constant node. So let's create a constant node, convert this to a parameter. This is going to be our zoom. Set this to 0.2. Copy paste here. This is going to be X. Set this to 0. And this is going to be our map dimension. So I'm going to copy this dimension and rename this to dimension, and this is going to be Y. Now for zooming, we have to multiply this coordinate with this zooming, and we have to divide this value with 2, and then I have to subtract this using 0.5. Now I think I have to make some space here. Now we have to divide our player location with this dimension. Same thing for Y also. Okay. And now we have to add this zoom subtract value with this X location, and we have to add another one on B. And then I have to append vector, and then I have to add both of them right here, and then plug this right here. That's all we have to do. Now I'm going to convert this texture also a parameter. Map texture. Okay. Now in map system, not in map system, in minimap, right here we have to create dynamic material instant. select this minimap, promote this to a variable. This is going to be material instant minimap, mat material. Okay, and now on this material we have to get we have to get this image, not this one, image material. Let's rename this to image minimap texture. So to get this one, set brush for material. So I'm going to plug this right there. Now that's all I have to do. And then we have to get our minimap material reference. Set texture parameter value. So in texture we have this map texture. So I have to copy this one and then place it right here. Plug this right there. We have this map texture. Let's make some space here. Map texture. Okay. Map texture. Minimap material, and then I have to set scalar parameter value. For this time I have to set this zoom. I'm going to plug this minimap zoom right here. And then copy paste this one. Again, for this time we have to get dimension. Plug this minimap dimension. No, not this one. This is going to be level dimension. Okay, that's all for now. Now in our map system, let's play from here. It's working. Now in our map system, I'm going to do on this minimap texture. If I select another texture, here you can see it's working. Now we can dynamically change our map texture. So I'm going to select our map image right here. Okay, it's working. Now I think in minimap, let's select this material for reference. And now here you can see we have this edge on this class. So I'm going to add -2 on this padding. You can add 3 also. Okay, nice. And on event tick, I have to get player character, get actor location, split this ping. We have to get our material instant reference, set scalar parameter value. So have to copy paste here. plug this x to x and y to y. So in parameter value, we have to get this x and y value. Let's rename this to x and y. Now let's try. Here you can see it's working. Our minimap is working properly. And what is this error? I think I have to cut this one, and then I have to place this even pre-constant, or you can place them before here, that doesn't matter. So I'm going to place this right here. Let's make some space. Okay, now we don't have any errors. And let's get our player character, get actor rotation, split this pin. Now I'm going to select my arrow, get a reference, set render transform angle, apply this to yaw. That's all I have to do. Now here I can see our minimap is working properly. Also, I think you can control minimap zoom using this value. Let's set this to 5. Now here you can see we have this minimap. We have this map repeated right here, so maybe if you want you can add a clump knot. Now it's clump, but we have to fix that later, so we have to fix that later. I'm going to set this to 0.2 for now.